full of joy and happiness in the love nest. A secret kept is always best in the love nest. To show others the light is gonna be alright in the love nest. Full of joy and happiness in the love nest. Faith, hope, and charity, now that's prosperity in the love